Hello, fifth standard students. Today we are going to learn English grammar. English grammar. Standard fifth. And our topic is number one, lesson number one, the sentence and the phrase. So from the title only we come to know about the topic and the idea of the topic. This topic is about the sentence and the phrases. We are going to see now the difference between the sentence and the phrases and how they are formed. ये कैसे बनते हैं? Sentence कैसे बनता है? First of all, we are going to see that from the definition we will get it now. The definition of sentence. Okay. The group of words in order forms a sentence. So it is quite an easy and clear definition of the sentence. Means you can make a sentence, you can understand what is the sentence and what is the phrase. Now look here, from the definition of the sentence you will get it that what it says, the group of words in order forms a sentence. Any वर्ड्स का ग्रुप रहता है, लेकिन ऑर्डर में रहता है, अंडरस्टैंड? और वो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स ऑर्डर में रहा तो क्या होता है? सेंटेंस बनता है. तो ये ऑर्डर कौन सा है? व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ द ग्रुप दैट मेक्स अ सेंटेंस मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस? एनी ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स कैन नॉट फॉर्म अ सेंटेंस. आई मीनिंग दैट कोई भी ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स सेंटेंस बना सकता नहीं. दैट इज द फैक्ट. अगर वो ऑर्डर में नहीं है, कैसे भी तुम ग्रुप, कैसे भी तुम वर्ड्स प्लेस करेंगे, इट डज नॉट मीन दैट इट इज अ मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस. इट शुड बी मीनिंगफुल आल्सो. नॉट ओनली ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स यू हैव रिटन ऑन द book, in the book, and you are just writing it, it is meaningless. They should be in order. And what is the order of the meaningful sentence? First comes subject, look, then comes verb, and then comes object. Look, this is the right sequence of the words in the sentence. If the words in the groups are in this sequence or in this order, then it is clear that it's a meaningful sentence. It makes a sense. अगर वो sentence, वो group of words जो तुमने लिखा है वो इस सीक्वेंस में आएगा, जैसा कि फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट, फिर वर्ब एंड उसके बाद में ऑब्जेक्ट, या ऐसा आया है, तो फिर वो मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस हो गया. ओके, अदरवाइज नॉट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू नाउ, आई वॉच टीवी every day. See now, this is the sentence. One of the sentences I make for you. And what is that? I watch TV every day. This is meaningful sentence. Why it is meaningful sentence? Because all the words in this sentence are in order. They are in order. ये sequence है. देखो subject I है, verb watch है, and object TV है. Every day is an additional part of the sentence. So additional will be there also. Whether it is there or not, no matter. वो रहेगा भी और नहीं रहेगा. But ये दो तो होने ही चाहिए, subject and verb. They must be in the sentence because together they form a sentence. दोनों साथ करें तो सेंटेंस बनता है. Understand? Now another example I am going to give you is 8. He ate grapes. Today. One more sentence I give you for your understanding, clear understanding. What is that? He ate grapes today. Now look here. All the words in the group, all the words in the sentence you can see they are in the order. Means what order? Just now I wrote in the beginning. What is the order? You have to remember this order, okay? Subject plus verb plus object. This is the order of the words. And if it is correctly written, then that group of words makes a sentence like this. Now look, he ate grapes today. Okay, तो ये perfect and complete meaningful sentence हो गया. Okay, because all the words in the sentence are in order. Now I am going to give you 2 more sentences of this kind, so that the idea should be more clear. And look here, you must have books, all of you, I think, those who are watching this video. So they should open the book also while watching the TV, while watching the video, and open up the first page, first lesson, the sentence and the phrase you will get that now. Because I am going to give you the homework regarding to it. And what is your homework, you know? Those questions answer given in the book itself. After the lesson, they should be filled in the book. Means that workbook should be completed. Okay, this first lesson. After this, the third one I am going to give you. They are coming today for meeting. Little bit I gave you a little bit long sentence, big sentence. What is that? They are coming today for meeting. So look here, all these words in the group, all these words in the sentence, they are also in the order, and that's why they are making the sense. All the words are making the sense, and together they form a sentence, meaningful sentence. Now look, they are coming today for meeting. They is a verb, are coming verb, they subject. Okay, are coming verb, and this is today for meeting additional part of the sentence. Okay, so this is the way you can make the sentence. Now you got it. One more thing, that very important thing it is, and what is that? Every sentence has verb. That also you have to write. Look, all the definitions in the book, it is given on the first page of the lesson. They should be written properly. Okay, and those together, that definitions of sentences, phrases, subject and predicate, all of them, what I am going to teach you now, they should be written in a notebook and send it on my number. This is your homework to be sent. Okay, and another homework is that you have to complete the workbook. Okay, those questions and answers are given, you have to write. Answers are not given, the questions are given, you have to write the answers that way. Okay, so now we are going to move to the another part, and that is the phrase. Now we are going to see that what is the phrase, because just now I told you that we are going to learn the sentence and the phrase together and the difference between them. हमको दोनों का difference देखने का है. Next, now I am going to give you the definition first of all of phrase. So what is phrase? A group of words. A group of words that does not have verb. Does not have verb. and makes some sense. Some sense is called a phrase. Okay, look here now. Definition of phrase, and this is the phrase. Okay, and what is the phrase? A group of words that does not have verb and makes some sense is called a phrase. It means that a group of words that does not have verb means this is the group of words which not having any verb. उसमें verb नहीं रहता है, सिर्फ group of words रहता है, इसलिए वो कंप्लीट सेंस नहीं करता है, यानी उसका मीनिंग पूरी तरह से नहीं निकलता है, वो कंप्लीट मीनिंगफुल नहीं होता है. हाँ, वो सम मीनिंगफुल होता है जब उससे सेंटेंस के साथ में आता है, फुल सेंटेंस. इफ इट इज रिटन सेपरेटली, अगर वो सेपरेटली लिखा जाए तो उसका कोई भी मीनिंग नहीं होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू he sat on the last bench. Here now look, he sat on the last bench. Now on the last bench, this is a phrase, and he sat, this is a sentence, because the sentence has verb. Sat is a verb and subject he, but the phrase does not have the subject and verb. फ्रेजेस को ना सब्जेक्ट रहता है ना वर्ब रहता है. ओके, सो देखो ये पार्ट ऑन द लास्ट बेंच एक ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है, इसको अगर सेपरेट कर दिया जाए तो इसका कोई ज़्यादा मीनिंग नहीं निकलेगा, थोड़ा मीनिंग निकलता है कि ऑन द लास्ट बेंच. बट व्हाट इज ऑन द लास्ट बेंच, वी डू नॉट गेट द कंप्लीट मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस. ओके, अभी इसके साथ में आया है वो ये सेंटेंस के साथ में, सेट के साथ में, इसलिए वी गॉट टू नो what is the meaning of the sentence. Correct? No, it is a full complete sense of the sentence. He sat on the last bench. That way, another sentence I am going to give you. People were working in the field. Now look here in this sentence also, you can see some of the part of the sentence is a phrase. Can you recognize which one is the phrase and which one is the sentence? It is quite clear because everything is before you. Okay, you have just now learned what is the difference between them, sentence and phrases. Now look here, this is the difference. People were working up to here, it is a sentence, but in the field it's a phrase. Got it now? And why it is called the phrase? You know very well that. What is the main thing is that in the field does not have any verb, no subject, no verb. That's why it is called phrase. This is the actually difference between them. Now look on the first page. I am giving you the homework on the first page. You will see that now the first page to be written in your notebook as it is. Whatever given is on the first page, no, from the beginning to the end, that should be written, because some examples also are given and definitions also are given, that to be written and send it on my number. Okay, this is your homework. In the beginning I told you that, otherwise you will just complain that you did not give the homework, I will not listen that. Okay, so now the idea of the sentence and the phrases is clear. We are going to move the another part in this topic only. Okay, this topic contains another part, and what is that? Subject and predicate. We are going to learn the subject and predicate also in this part. That is also very easy to learn. Because it is very important for you to learn these things in the beginning. Because you are in the fifth standard, and fifth standard is the beginning of the grammar. Okay? So you must learn that now. Look now, what is that? The subject and the predicate. We are going to see in this topic now what is called the subject and what is called the predicate, because these two of them are the part of the sentence. हमको ये देख लेंगे कि सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है, प्रेडिकेट कौन सा है, क्योंकि दोनों भी सेंटेंस के ही पार्ट है वो. ये दोनों को मिलाकर ही सेंटेंस बनता है. इफ दे आर नॉट देयर द सेंटेंस कैन नॉट बी कंप्लीटेड. अगर ये दोनों नहीं है उसमें तो सेंटेंस बनेगा नहीं. तो सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है अभी देखो, द सब्जेक्ट नाउ डेफिनेशन. दिस डेफिनेशन आल्सो गिवन इन द बुक दैट टू बी रिटन. I am writing here more here also for you. What is the definition of the subject? The subject comes before verb. That's it. How easy it is to find out the subject in the sentence. It comes before the verb. From where the verb starts from, that is the another part, that is called the predicate. And up to the verb, it is called subject now. Okay? I am going to give you example to make it clear. And what's that? She and her friend are drawing picture. Look at the sentence, you can see that she and her friend are drawing picture. Now we have to find out which one is the subject in the sentence. Look here, she and her friend is the subject here. Okay, because she is not doing that work. What is the work? Drawing the picture work alone. She is doing that with her friend. So both of them are subject. वो अकेले नहीं कर रही वो ड्राइंग, तो उसके साथ में उसकी फ्रेंड भी है, दोनों भी मिलकर कर रहे हैं, दोनों भी जो भी करता है एक्शन. ओके, who is the doer of the action, that is called the subject. And who is the doer of the action in the sentence? She and her friend. So obviously it is subject, she and her friend. Okay, and rest now, look here, from here verb starts, are drawing picture. What is in the definition? You can see what is in the definition. The subject comes before verb. So look here, she and her friend comes before verb, because after that are drawing, this is the verb. So it comes before that. So obviously it is a subject. Got it now? Quite clear. Number 2. The dog barks at the stranger. Look here in this sentence also, the dog barks at the stranger. Now you must have got an idea clearly, and you can find out the subject now very well. And what is that? Yes, some of you are right, because the dog is the subject in the sentence, because it is the doer of the action. What is the action? Barks. It's the verb. Quite correct, no? So the dog is the subject, the doer of the action, and barks at the stranger is the predicate. Got it now? How clear and how easy the part of. Now we are going to see that the predicate also. The definition of predicate. And what is the definition of the predicate? See that. Carefully listen. Definition I am going to give you the predicate. Now look, except the verb. Sorry, except the subject. Except the subject, the remaining part of the sentence including verb, is called predicate. Look at the definition here on the blackboard. What does it tell us? Look here, except the subject. Okay, the remaining part of the sentence including verb is called predicate. Quite clear. सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट को छोड़ के जो भी पार्ट है सेंटेंस का उसमें वर्ब भी रहेगा, तो सब मिलाकर उसको क्या कहते हैं? प्रेडिकेट. ओनली यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट सब्जेक्ट फ्रॉम द सेंटेंस, देन द अदर वर्क इज इजी टू फाइंड आउट. एंड व्हाट इज द अदर वर्क लेफ्ट फॉर यू टू फाइंड आउट द प्रेडिकेट. अगर तुमने सब्जेक्ट को फाइंड आउट करने में करेंगे तो प्रेडिकेट ऑटोमेटिकली सेपरेट हो जाएगा, विल बी फाउंड क्विकली, वो जल्दी मिल जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू नाउ ऑफ प्रेडिकेट. चिल्ड्रन like sweets and games. Now look here, children like sweets and games. Here now look, this is the sentence and you can easily find out which one is the subject in the sentence, who is doing the work, who is doing the action. Of course the children. Children is the subject and what is that in it? The remaining part like sweets and games is the predicate. See here like that. How easy it is? Because it is clearly mentioned in the definition that except the subject, the remaining part is called predicate, and that includes verb also. Another two examples I am going to give you. See that now the example. The school management. The school management declares sports tournament. The school management declares sports tournament of this year. Little bit long sentence I gave you deliberately. यहाँ कुछ मैंने एक long sentence दिया है, क्योंकि ऐसे ही sentence में तुम लोगों को subject and predicate ये find out करने के लिए that's it now. Finishing. तो देखो अभी the school management यहाँ का क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है एंड डिक्लेयर स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट ऑफ दिस ईयर, तो क्या है? प्रेडिकेट. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर यू कैन राइट अंडर इट ही एंड यस अंडर द सब्जेक्ट यू कैन राइट एस. सो दैट वे नाउ. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश हियर ओनली दिस टॉपिक. सो यू गॉट होमवर्क, दैट्स इट नाउ.